1/8 solar electric fence charger solar charging, equipped with a high-performance solar panel and a built-in 10,000 plus mAh lithium battery for self-power supply. Easy to use, portable by hand or stably placed on the ground, suitable for various scenarios. Waterproof and durable. Waterproof design ensures stable performance even in rainy outdoors. High voltage output, up to 0.2 joules of energy and 8 kilovolts output per second. Effective for multiple animals, effectively restricts small animals like chickens, ducks, geese, raccoons, etc. Operation step. Step 1. Install the warning sign. Step 2. Insert the tail of the solar electric fence into a wooden stick. Step 3. Unscrew the black cover and connect the black wire. Step 4. Unscrew the red cover and connect the red wire. Step 5. Install the grounding device. Step 6. Use the black clip on the grounding device. Step 7. Use the red clip on the electric fence wires. Step 8. Press the power button of the solar electric fence to turn it on. Step 9. The wire fence starts to be electrified.